Hi guys, good news, bad news time again. You may have seen I made this air engine car designed by Gzumwalt, 3D printed. Supposed to put a balloon on top and it should propel itself along. I couldn't get it to do that. I don't think the balloon was powerful enough. If I blow into there, I can actually get it to run, but the air pressure from the balloon isn't enough to move it. So I was rather hoping that his second version would work, because his second version, rather than being a direct drive with the crankshaft turning the wheels directly, in version 2 the crankshaft turns a gear and then the gear turns the wheels, so it's a lower ratio, or a step down, whichever way you want to look at it. And I was putting this together and I was quite pleased with it, because I got it nice and loose and flowing, but it still won't move if I put the balloon on it. So all I can do is do another demonstration of just blowing into it. It's a little bit disappointing. I was rather hoping it would work this time. I could understand that one not working because it's sort of direct drive, so it takes more effort to turn the wheels. So with this one being geared like that, I thought it would go for sure. But it doesn't. It may be that I've got to run it in for a lot longer to actually get it to loosen up. But you can see, I can spin it. It's all nice and loose at the moment. Anyway, I'll do what I did with that one. I'll blow into it just so you can see it running. Right, this is version 1. Wheel fell off. Right, well, let's do version 2 anyway. So this one, the wheels actually turn slower because it's geared down. I'll just pick that wheel up again. Right, put the wheel back on. So this is version 1. And version 2 again. So yeah, they both work, but not with the balloons. I suspect I just haven't got the tolerances right when I've sanded it, or it may be, as I say, I've got to run it in a little bit more to loosen it up even more, but it does seem nice and loose. So if you fancy making one yourself, check the video description, because there'll be links to Greg's to Greg's site. I was trying to remember what the name of the site is that it's on. I can't at the moment. Memory's gone. So look in the video description. Just in case you didn't watch the previous video, Greg uses a pressure pipe, air pressure pipe, to run it in. So he puts an adapter on there and runs it on high pressure. I don't have one of them, but I do have an electric drill, so I can put that on there. And that should loosen it up. But as I say, it's pretty loose anyway. So it may be I've got the tolerances wrong inside the motor and it's not capturing enough air. Maybe it's letting too much leak out. but it's not supposed to be absolutely airtight anyway. Let's see, it looks pretty loose to me. I still haven't got quite enough power to get it to go along with a balloon. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.